YCB7125N MCB. The operating handle is ergonomic, ensuring stable and convenient operation. Standardized terminal blocks for easier installation and replacement. The housing is made of PA66 material, with a higher flame retardant rating. Integrated design for space-saving installation, product width of 36 mm and rated current up to 63A. Support for top or bottom incoming lines, providing flexible wiring options. Standardized terminal blocks for easier installation and replacement. Sensitive residual current protection function. Visual windows with a red indicator for residual current tripping. Strong electromagnetic interference resistance. Suitable for various electrical environments and locations. YCH7125 isolation switch. Compact size, high current capacity for space-saving installations. Sleek new design for effortless operation. YCM8C external circuit breaker. Standard key lock for enhanced safety during maintenance. Compact size for easy installation. Local and remote control capability. Replaces 6 components and associated wiring, enabling cabinet miniaturization. More convenient, integrated primary and secondary wiring reduces internal wiring by approximately 50%. Hassle-free and effortless, high level of integration minimizes potential points of failure.
Changcheng Electrical Group Zhejiang Technology Company Limited is committed to designing, manufacturing and marketing low-voltage electrical products for industrial, commercial and residential applications. It mainly deals in low-voltage electrical equipment, including modular DIN rail device, distribution apparatus, industrial control and protection products, power supply, distribution enclosure, instruments and electrical accessories with more than 100 product series and 20,000 specifications. The factory keeps supplying auto and semi-auto equipment for the whole manufacturing process to ensure products with high reliability and consistency. It owns MCB semi-auto production line, Contactor automatic testing equipment, SMT PCB automatic production equipment. Quality as our culture. The key spare part of circuit breaker is self-produced for control the quality. All the product tested one by one during production. The top 5 testing and inspection center works for raw material inspection, electrical endurance and mechanical endurance testing, new product R&D and before shipment product inspection. It has obtained the management system certificates as ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001. The leading products have obtained CCC, CE, CB, TUV and in-metro certification. CNC brand with high visibility and reputation has exclusive distributors in more than 10 countries. The product sells over 100 countries and areas. Welcome to cooperate with us.